As you can see, we have the Cream of Nature Butter Blend and Flaxseed Hair Collection box from Influencer. Let's give it an open. First, we have the Double Duty Stretch and Define Pudding. Secondly, we have the Double Duty Elongate and Define Jelly. We have the Double Duty Detangle Slip and Shampoo. We have the Double Duty Detangle and Slip Rinse Out and Leave-In Conditioner. And last but not least, we have the Double Duty Curl Definer and Booster. It's for curly hair types, and it prevents shrinkage to hair. And also it has no sulfates, no mineral oil, no silicones, petroleum, paraffin, and dry alcohol. And also it has a butter blend and flaxseed and argan oil.